Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you do? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. And we are learning unit number 6, and its title is Caterpillar Garden. So yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 7, we will learn about multi-steps of directions. So today we will read about multi-steps of directions, means how we can get different steps at a time. Before in English for grade 1, my dear students, you have already learned about directions on page number 23. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further about it. Recognize the multi-steps directions like left or right and up or down. So these directions today we will learn in this lecture. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Kaf, verse number 6, do they not look at the sky above them, how we have made it and adorned it, and there are no flaws in it. Subhanallah, my dear students. This beautiful verse is explaining us, giving us message that Allah Almighty is saying how beautifully Allah Almighty has organized everything and how Allah Almighty has made the sky above us, my dear students. So how? It is the power of Almighty Allah, that how Allah Almighty is holding all these things in a sequence, in a fixed directions. Okay, Allah Almighty has settled everything in a fixed directions. Okay, and it's according to the will of Almighty Allah, my dear students. Like there is a word above. Okay, so this is also a direction above. This is okay. Now we are going to learn about it. Yes, my dear students, how many directions you know? What do you know? Understand by phrases stand up, sit down. Okay, how many directions do you know, my dear students? You have to inform to your teacher, and there are two phrases are there, stand up and sit down. So practice this in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done and you have enjoyed it a lot. Let's see directions. Directions are possible ways for your movements, are possible changes in your positions. Directions can be up or down, left or right, etc. So my dear students, directions are possible ways of your movement. Where we are moving, suppose I am moving, so I am coming upward, so that is backward. Okay, is it clear? Now I am moving my hand like this is my right direction, this is left direction, in this way. So directions have different phases. In this way you can say that up, like this is up and down. Okay, left, right. Let's see there. Next is there this is left, right. You can see that he is moving to left side and he is moving to right side. In this way, our movement tells us that in which directions we are moving. Next is left, right. And I'm going to give you a tip that how we can get that this is left and this is right. This is left and right. The hand that makes an L shape is your left hand. You can see there the hand that makes your L shape. So keep your hand in this way, my dear students, together. So you will find L shape in front of you, right in front of you. So I am going to do that. So you can also judge, my dear students. See there in this way when you will keep in front of you. So this is L shape. Okay. So this is my left side. How we can judge that this is left, this is right? Okay, so this is my left side. How? Because when we keep our hand together in this way, so keep in this way, so what we will get? Yes, so then one hand is giving us L shape. See there, this is not, this is also, but this is opposite side. This is clear and neat. Okay, so in this way, so it means this side is our left side. Got it? L is for left side. So you can also see here that I have given you clearly that this is left and this is right side. Now have you got that? See there, this is L. Is it clear that how we can get that this is our left side and this is our right side? This is a tip for you and so easy. Is it clear? Good job. Next, up. This is up, arrow is showing, okay, and down. Up, you can see up, down. How this monkey is moving, you have seen that? Up, down. Next, you have to read with me. I'm going to give you something next. Turn around and touch the ground. Turn to the left and turn to the right. Turn around and touch the ground. Turn to the left and turn to the right. So what you have to do? You have to turn around and touch the ground. Okay? Stand up. You have to follow me, my dear students. You have to do same like that as I am guiding you. Turn around and touch the ground. Okay? Next is turn around and touch the ground. Turn to the left and turn to the right. You have to turn to the left and then you have to turn to the right. In this way, you have to follow this. Okay? Next is sit down and stand up. You are also seeing this jeep. Sit down and stand up. Next, jump up. See there? Up and down and clap your hands. Jump up and down and clap your hands. Sit down and stand up, jump up and down and clap your hands. So through these words, we are getting our directions. Means jump up, jump down. You have to get jump up and jump down. You have to sit down and stand up. Means up and down. So this direction we are getting. Which directions? Yes, up and down. Is it clear now? Good job. I hope you have enjoyed. Now it's time to move towards an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, you have to ask all students to stand in front of you and perform the actions. Turn around. Get everyone to follow you. Continue through all of the verbs and repeat a few times so that everyone knows the actions. You can also put the song sheet on the board so everyone can see the actions. So same song sheet that I have read in front of you. So my dear teacher, you have to get from students and you have to follow them. You have to give them instructions that they have to like turn around, jump up, jump down, sit down, stand up, like move left, right. In this way, you have to get this activity in your class and enjoy. Pause the video and perform this activity. Welcome back, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed while performing this activity and you have got about actual directions. Good job. So next, what's our homework? You have to practice directions at home by pointing at different objects. This is your homework. You will practice all these directions at home in the presence of your family. Okay? Next, what you have to do? Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge they have got about directions. Next is what we have covered. We learned today recognize and classify multi-steps different directions, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture because we also got different directions through different actions. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Thank you so much. Till that time, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.